Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. Today you'll learn how to automatically collect the customer feedback with n8n and the Google Sheets. So in this tutorial you'll learn how to fully automate customer feedback collection using n8n and Google Sheet. So step by step, we'll capture order details automatically through a webhook. We'll send a personalized feedback request email to each customer. We log every customer in a Google Sheet with status feedback pending. We'll check if the customer replied with feedback. We'll send a polite follow-up email if no response is detected. We'll update the customer status in Google Sheets to feedback received or reminder sent. This workflow is perfect for e-commerce stores, service providers, and agencies looking to boost reviews, improve customer retention, and build trust automatically. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook trigger node. This purpose of this node is to start the workflow when the customer order data is received. So on configuration method, we will choose post on the path customer feedback webhook. Response on receive. So for example, name Jane Smith, email Jane around example.com, order ID, and the feedback. This node is like the door where a new customer event enter the workflow. When a new order is completed, your store, for example Shopify or CRM, send data into this webhook. Without this, the automation has no starting point. Okay, let's continue. After that, we'll have the send feedback email. Here you have his purpose is to send the first personalized feedback request. So from email, you'll choose your company and to email, JSON the email on the client. So then on the subject you'll choose we value your feedback, and on the text you will put this: hi JSON name, thank you for a recent order, ID JSON order ID, we'd love to hear your feedback about your experience, best regards, your company. So immediately after purchase, every customer automatically receives this email. It feels personal because it dynamically inserts their name and order ID. This boosts the chance they'll actually reply. After that, you'll go to the Google Sheet node that will save each customer into a central feedback log. So operation will be append, spreadsheet ID range will be to A to D. On the values here will be the JSON name, the JSON email, JSON order ID, and the feedback pending. That will be the field to be mapped. So every customer is stored in your Google Sheets. At first, their status is set to feedback pending. This gives you a real-time tracker of feedback request. After that, you have the check feedback response. That is a if node. His purpose is to determine if customer left the feedback. So let's open it. Condition: if JSON feedback is not empty, branches is the true branches, the yes. We'll go to update the feedback status so customer gave the feedback, move to status update, and the false node will go to no feedback. That will trigger the reminder email. So this is the decision maker. It splits the workflow into two paths. Customer who gave feedback get log as feedback received, while those who didn't will get a reminder. So let's open again this. So we see this. If it's empty, we'll go to update fifth. If it's not empty, we'll go here to update feedback status. And if it's empty, we'll go to send follow-up email. After that, the email send node. So This is the node email sent. We'll send reminder to customer without feedback. So if you don't receive any feedback, we have here the JSON email reminder. We love your feedback. Hi JSON name, you notice you haven't shared your feedback yet. Please take a minute to let us know about your experience. Thank you, your company. Okay. So friendly follow-up doubles your response rate. This ensure customers don't forget to reply, but is still polite and non-intrusive. And the last node, the Google Sheet node, his purpose is to update the customer feedback status in the log. So you get, if the feedback exists, you get here with the map row the feedback received. So this node keep your sheet clean and updated. You'll know exactly who replied and who just got reminded. This turns your Google Sheet into a live status tracker. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.